Hello guys, Nigel here with you, Nigel's Modelling Bench. Welcome along. It is Tuesday afternoon and I have been sat in waiting all day for a parcel delivery. As some of you will know, I've reviewed and I'm currently building this little beauty. This is the brand new Bf109 G5/6 from Airfix and it is a beautiful, beautiful kit. Now then, as I mentioned in my part 2 build video, yes I am building it. Build part 3 should be out later today. You can see it on the bench behind me now. So when I did the part 2, in between me doing part 1 and part 2, a certain other YouTuber did a review and found that he had some seriously warped parts, and I think was sort of a little unfair, to be honest, because I think it was a one-off. It certainly seems that way. Everybody else that's got, because Airfix basically sent a few out to YouTubers to have and review and look at and everything and see what you thought. And yeah, I just think it was a little unfair. The way it was very, very strong. What I think is more unfair is all I got was inundated with comments about what were your sprues like? Did you have any warpage? These parts are warped. Somebody warning people not to buy them online. Go and check the sprues in the shop. Blah, 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 blah. You know, one person shows warped parts. It seems like everybody just attacks, you know. And like I said in my part 2 video, I think what I would have said is, oh dear, I've got some warped parts, better get in touch with Airfix and get a replacement sprue, because their replacement parts and department is brilliant, as we all know. Well, some of you will know. So anyway, with all that said and done, I've been and got another one. So this one I'm building now, I think was 33. It was kit number 33. This one is 257 of 1,260. Or no, 11,260, and I can see on the end here, it's not going to show my address, is it? Hannah's actually ordered 216. This is number 147. So there we go. Right, where's my knife gone? Here it is. So I thought what I'd do is open this and check those wings and the fuselage live on camera. So as you can see, this is all sealed. It's not opened yet. I think Hannah's have probably opened it and resealed it, because I've bought the additional mask set and also the ASK mask set for my Qatari 109K4. Yeah, Peter sends me all those lovely mask sets and he hasn't sent me the ones for the 109. So yeah, right, so this coming out the box. Here we go. Yeah, and there's the extra parts in there. So here we go. We've got the difference in the size of these. There's the Airfix masking set for the 24th, and there's the ASK masking set for the 32nd, but this is for the Qatari Messerschmitt. So very happy with that. So glad I got those. Okay, so this box will be sealed. Yes, it is. I believe Airfix have gone through their inventory of kits. We've gone through a few and have found no more warped sprues. So and personally I think, looking at the sprues that were shown in that review, I think they could probably be used. I think there's certainly the fuselage could be. Okay, so we've got bags of sprues here just as we normally do, and right on the top here is our wing sprue, and I can see straight away I don't even need to open it. Straight as a die. You can see the wings there in the bottom of the, I'll get them out now. You can see the wings there, absolutely straight as a die, no problem whatsoever. And then we've got the fuselage halves here. Again, absolutely straight as a die. So yeah, I'm really happy. Instructions are in the bottom. Decals are face up, but at least they're in the instruction manual, so that's a good thing. So there we are, and it has that smell as well, as they always do. So there we go. I'm a happy bunny. I bought this from Hannah's because I could get a 10% pre-order discount, and I wanted those masks for the Qatari kit, and it's a, I think it's a £7.89 minimum order, and they were £7.60. so I had to get something else. So, you know, an extra 30 pence, I got this instead. So, but the thing is, you spend over 50 quid, is it 50 or 59 pound at Hannah's at the moment, you get free postage as well. So that's really good. So I'm very happy. Second one of these. I'm going to keep hold of this until certainly Airscale, I think, are working on a cockpit set for it. I'm going to wait for a few bits of resin extras, bits and pieces, and I think I might do this as the RAF one. We shall see. But yeah, I really do. Do I think it's Airfix's best ever kit? It's very close. I think the Spitfire was probably the best, but the Spitfire had the one issue with the soft moulding down the spine, which was easily correctable, and that missing control lever. But I think Spitfires, maybe the Hellcat. Now, if the Hellcat had been made in this plastic, that would have been their best ever kit and would be very, very difficult to surpass. And if it didn't have that bloody grainy finish, it would be nice as well. But yeah, I think the Spitfire is the best. But anyway, I just wanted to do a second unboxing just to let you all know and show you that that one's absolutely perfect. So let me know if you've had any warp parts or anything. I certainly haven't heard anyone else saying about it, so let me know. See you soon. Part 3, as I say, hopefully will be out later today, if not early tomorrow. Okay, I wanted to get it out today, but I've got a few bits and pieces to do. I've got some running around to do tomorrow, so hopefully I'll get it out in the morning for you. All right, thanks for watching. Bye for now.